Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, if you are on Instagram at all and you follow Derya Sekasoy, you knew this book was coming. And I kept checking Amazon. I'm like, is it there yet? Is it there yet? Is it there yet? It's now there on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. However, you might want to hang on till the end before you go and buy it. So, amazingly adorable. I love the name. And it's grayscale, coloring book number 9. Oh, this is going to have all her super cutesy images. I love her artwork, whether it's these cute characters or not. Oh, and that is just flippin' gorgeous. I just love them. She is an amazing artist and also like the sweetest lady in the world. I swear, have I colored that one? No, I have it in my Google Drive. Oh. Now, I know some of these, if you're from her Patreon, you might already have gotten a couple of them. Usually what I do now with hers is, like, when they pop up on Amazon, like this one was on, not Amazon, Etsy, I wait because I know she's going to put them in a book. Now, not all of them will be available on Etsy, so this gal is, I know, because I saw her on there today. Oh, so cute. Her style is just, she really honestly thrives at this style. And oh my gosh, I so want to color that hair. Not so happy with the fur, with the sloth. I think that's a sloth. I did color this one. Ooh, it'd be fun to color again though and like compare. This one, I swear this was like a Patreon one. But like I said, if you're on her Patreon, you might get some of these already. And then like she'll release them on her Etsy. And then I know they'll eventually all come to me in a book. I wonder if there's any Halloween ones in here. Oh, that one's adorable. Oh my gosh, this is the freaking cutest. That is so cute. So pretty too. Like her, you know, I don't know, natural women, that's not the best way to put it, is it? Her non-cuties are great too, but I swear her like cute ones are just phenomenal. Like that is just her. Oh my gosh, look at that one. That is adorable. Holy crap, I love that one. Oh, I colored this one, I know, for Valentine's, but I'm okay coloring it again. Because I loved coloring the hair. And I kind of want to redo the color scheme. Oh, this one would be for Halloween. Maybe I can squeeze this one in. Oh, that is so stinking cute. You could do this one in the fall. Oh. Wow, I love this. I love this. I love it. That is so cute. My gosh, every time she just gets better and better. So 25 in there. Oh, it's gorgeous. I got no complaints. And it's still on that nicer paper. It's not like Create Space paper. Okay, so what did I say wait to the end for? Well, if you don't have a copy of this one already, I am doing a giveaway. You can now get a copy from me for free. How? So you will enter by leaving a comment below with which character was your favorite in the book. I will also be leaving a Google form in the description like I normally do. However, this is only going to be open to those in the US. Now, I want to make a huge disclaimer here because I have received a few comments in the past. I am not excluding other countries to be rude. This is a free giveaway with my money. And it sounds ridiculous that I have to even put this disclaimer in here, which is why I'm laughing. But I am giving this away for free, but I cannot afford to go on other Amazons and deal with like the currency exchanges and the extra costs. Like, I am giving this away for free. So I do apologize if you're not in the US. However, I give away PDFs all the time. So you always can enter into those if you're not in the US. But yeah, I'm limited. Sorry. So you must be in the United States. You must be a current subscriber of my channel. You must complete the form. You must do your official entry with commenting what is your favorite. And then, of course, as always, you must be over the age of 18. And then, of course, I am the sole sponsor of this giveaway. Derya nor YouTube are sponsoring it. So I will be responsible for picking the winner. And I will give it a few days. So I will leave the end date or the close date in the description below. But basically, when this video goes active, the giveaway is active. And then keep an eye on the close date. And I will announce the winner in my community tab, as well as email them and ship this off. So yeah, thanks everyone for hanging out. And until next time, take care. Bye now.